Hello friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be cooking plantain in a microwave. This is super easy. All we need is plantain. We're going to cook it in its skin, so no need to peel it. So now let's put it in the microwave. And I'm going to set my microwave for 5 minutes on high. Now the microwave is done cooking, so let's take a look. So here is a cooked plantain. So the sign that you know that if it's cooked, the skin splits. So if your plantain doesn't have split skin, check all the sides. That means it's not fully cooked, so you can microwave it for an additional 1 to 2 minutes or until the skin splits, and also, you feel that it's soft. So this is cooked, and let me take this out. Perfect. So now to serve it, let's just finish peeling it. So just grab the skin where it splits. And peel it. Super easy. So much easier than peeling raw plantain. Just cook it in its skin and that's it. Perfect. And now you can just slice it. You can do it this way or that way, whichever way you prefer. So it's nice and soft, easy to slice. Perfect. So here's perfectly cooked plantain in a microwave. And now you can just eat it as is, or you can season it. So for savory, you can season with salt and pepper. And for sweet, you can choose a little bit of honey and cinnamon, whichever way you like it, or just don't season it at all. And now let's try it. I'm so excited about trying it. I love plantains. So good. Perfect. It's soft, it's tasty, perfectly cooked plantain in a microwave. You will love it. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, MelanieCooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks, for other easy microwave recipes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!